Right, sin dá an tiompa. Sin skill an skill úd únsaach. Díomh mí dá is mention Assassin's Cantrip. He should matter his kind of sure. Following a successful parry, quickly press Y to throw a smoke bomb at your feet and disappear. He should. I guess how you should do a rare fella von at your merch. Hey, Scanio. Yes. Yeah. Not dodgy at all on him either. So Chanélas a bhfuil mír cluiche ar a stream orgal an game dísnan a hán sa game seo. Ha cara mar Gwent ana Witcher 3 nach sé game dísnan a hán. I had dul gaienu mar game feed mar go big physical release an Avlin. Gyd go sé ma, gyd go fai mi stocha go Jeremy stream sorry dira go bhí Gàidhlig bia mar go big. Hí sin háast. Ach sin ma híisiú ag múlach screen ha na díis na nán, so I can't think bhfuil mu chiad meter sa sléir sin.
Well guarded for a tangle of old ruins. I need to. The Temple of Mithras, well guarded for a tangle of old ruins. I need to find the entrance.
Okie dokie. We'll have more on the Newman Gorge. There needs to be suicide now.
Best not to draw attention.
Okay. Of Koha Gamachin. Jetzt, ja. Oh, Essan. Was ein Thema. I guess, yeah, hele Susanna hinne mis wedi. Gidoki. Well, dal she's nicht. Glasgwylad. Caran Avrasach. Shit, female. Stel hem dier wie Caran. Het al. In en astray in en. Ik scan. Gras. Stel hem nu ha gemichin bikke aan de gemichin. Or femi. Muster en spars kajak. I shouldn't go my feed. Yeah, no. I got the room, so. Hanyomi. I'm here bikkant The Witcher 3 like Hanyomi. Creacha gereed. Gutje gejam sin haast. Relín nan glasach slúi. Ach, yeah. Okay. Ach, gonna come me. Well, we should check it out. Okay. And you listen, things to be far away with this. Stop. Essen. Hij is ekkezen. Gevel me mijn gorge. Gaan die lessen wel eens kijken. Bulach kaartje. Assassinating any? Ja, Gàidhlig. Okay, shouldn't have shed. Oops. Okie dokie. Ja, dus. Verder naar hen. Exchange je lesjes aan hen nog. Met ussen. mean gachal, I mean gachal. Right. Jeez, Jenny here. Sin. Had the Cluicheamaid has a hula carriage come a grag vel a fearfa, a crossover on a Monster Hunter world, le Witcher 3, shima. Yeah, fame me hang Witcher 3 like hula the new can't think vel a girach. Scanial. Hamid a hashig da huris, ach, gadur me jerry game gama fata han. Okay, I'm switching direction hula the new. Sure, Netflix cartar clan. Samid kuchen in Lyric in the Leog. Jorna Ra, Jirach Nanyoin, Nakaran short story collections. Such in The Sword of Destiny, Aris The Last Wish, na Anamanaka, Achwich of Amikad, and a Hinach. Spencer Gavel Game Pass the Drasta. Ha, I mean, need back in Gavel. Stacha a stray. I mean, Dul, second or like, ach, stach is jay shen gunjun daimiga, which are 3. I could just create in a switch. I guess switching Nanrai Akam in a switch can be in Gàidhlig. Nanrai comes a Gàidhlig we Gàidhlig. Just and BS I get. Ach, Chevy can a say she is. So yeah, it'd be all of a screen.
Tools for a surgeon, finely crafted, like we found in the villa.
Okay.
And there's a letter here, arranging payment to a blacksmith.
Pay ga Kulan. Good fuse. Kulan shan Sean Gaelic. Kulan.
The compass holds sway over the others. He has ordered the arrow to recruit archers in a market to the west.
Okay.
Worth a visit.
We must increase our strength to stage our coup. Oh, okay. Okay, so Shaninjinach. Doris Shin. Didn't you? Achechin Tron. Of a bad it anyhow. Shag looks like a jock. Yeah, it's cool shin. And yeah, shin. Very shot. Cool. Okay. It's telling me Kial. It's feed helmet Kial as I get my shot. And the kitchen again we can have the V. That's yeah. Who would Nastere switch? I can make click here a trainer. Well, can you play? Yeah. Yeah, Mishka Jackas. I tell him in comments if I can route click edit TV in your Fara TV. What was okay, ma? Let's just switch. I have me fear Henry Real to hear that. Nachting go. Nach het me gamer Kianachers on a switch hack me route ganela. It's like I guess how Witcher 3 I come with here on Xbox.
Messages between the leech and the compass. Gutting. The leech is a strange one, but the compass calls the strikes.
Okay. Each noch. Right now. Leech. So Dr. Nerd gonna have to leech. Arrange a meeting with Trigger tomorrow to discuss the opening of the port to Frankian concerns. This will be his last negotiation. Father, Mother, and Sacred Voice go with you. Ancient. Okay. Jesha. Liber Antiquate Decorum. Let our wretched origins be known. We are the instruments of the ancient gods. We are the refuse of an ancient world. Yet we are the hope for an era reborn. Let our great task be stated. We are the shepherds of our Creator's will. We are the curators of our Creator's tools. We are the new masters of the world they have made. Let our loyalties be clear. Father of understanding, Mother of wisdom, Sacred Voice. Let it be known. The order of the ancients. Tool. Hello, Tief Bard. Camilla Hashu. Right, we switch get out. Ritkin Elishias on the hell. Raw. Odd. Yeah. Shoshin. Yoshin shots. Ashin shoes on the hell. shield. Look at that. So now we're getting the shields. No, stop. No, get on. Go. Well, clachgin skia has an achami gemoders on is get aram of Yakaman and Gachlav is telling me tuag agus an art an art. I mean need of a kinchach. Right, mach ich allein. Kimmer Yoshin mach ich alles. Na machine, ach mach schaust doch.
Attack on Saighdean.
Céist J áte agus am a ha géirí a nágéime assassins a bhí. Ha mis géirí rit an alpnach a hanne mé bhais dítir. Go héin céist ínsnach a sin. Ha déad an tuavas a dhéanú go dtí seo. Ha mi genú fiúir éigin na níad le éirin an sa DLC ar san seo. Goharis leis go raibh ceann an éirin rí lín an lachlanach. Suns go bhí sin ar le íonsinach. Bhí é íonsinach go héin is go ruirtcin an alapa mar a bhíh dúil. Thuh lín henne mu go le cínseach is that an tuavas kind of roiin agat Joch éist a channeomí cínteach. Ha mór an daine bí trícha cantín cunne sin dalagain game Assassin's Creed anna caran Japan is tuhéin mar samurai a cha mi swain sin leis game úr sin Ghost of Tsushima ha hul daine really cantín go really caran Assassin's Creed Japan sin so ha mi swain sin nach bí daine géirí sin cho well nach bíad cho art an bhí géirí sin inist leis go bhfuil rud gin ánathe caran a déanú sin raibh. Chanéile is a gom. Have used bhí é ins nach ása is go am agus áte nach chéil mi fiús ar smaid sin iad mar tha éichcin. Ha a bhór chu deach go ar a bhí go maith caran Jorpach. Dus we gaan nog de Vienna natje te vermoeien naar een Jorpe. Could you helpen?
Figure wasn't killed because you want to plant a few trees and fix a few roofs in London.
Looks less like a meal for crows in here.
Hey boy, you bring good findings, I hope?
A few sheets of vellum, notes between members of a secret society. The Order of the Ancients, they're called.
Order of the Ancients? Doesn't sound any bells in this head. What's the purpose?
That would take some time to explain, but know this, that I am here to kill them. In London, it seems the compass is the head. The arrow and the leech are his hands.
Pet names and secret orders. What a crock. Do we know anything we can act on?
The leech has need of flesh. Been looking for thralls, though I can't say why.
We found a number of dead down by the quays lately, but not thralls alone. Some of the missing we find again in several places, cut to pieces.
Good lord, Erke.
The arrow is a Dane who has seen his share of battle. His name suggests that he's an archer.
I bet my knuckles he's the one sowing discord among the Danes that shelter in London.
If it were me, I'd hide among my ranks, surrounded by other fighting men.
The arrow has orders from the compass to recruit soldiers at a market in the west.
I know the very place.
The compass is a mystery. He's mentioned often, but there's little to go on.
So is sin dalal arach the arrow ag líte dacht.
To find him, we'd have to mark the ships that came and went along the Thames.
Captains are a transient sort. And maybe he's far away, keeping quiet.
That may be, but would he scream if we cut off his hands?
Oh, you've a filthy mind for strategy.
Kill the arrow and the leech, then sit back and wait. Let the compass come to us. Let's not waste any more time. We will find the arrow and the leech. Killing both should drag the compass back into port. Stowe, I'll catch you at the Western Market.
Count on it.
And I'll make for the quays. There's another few bodies there to fish out of the muck.
Could be the leech is back at work.
God be with us, friends. Go in his name. Be protected by him.